Managing employee expense reimbursements and corporate card transactions can get messy, especially when there's lots of cards, many different ways of paying for things, missing receipts, and even multiple currencies to deal with. Keeping on top of it all with a spreadsheet or basic accounting software is almost impossible, and that's where expense management tools come in. They're smart platforms that focus on tracking and controlling your team's spending as it happens. With the right software, your team member snaps a photo of a receipt, it gets approved in seconds, and everything syncs straight into your accounting system. Easy. So in this video, I'll walk you through what I think are the 4 best expense management tools available today so you can find the one that suits your business needs. And to do that, I'm going to run through what I think are the 6 vital features you should look for. Number 1, physical and virtual corporate cards. These are cards that let your team spend directly from company funds with preset limits, so no one's ever left out of pocket waiting for reimbursement. Number 2, multi-currency corporate cards, which are corporate cards that can be used anywhere in the world. Number 3, multi-currency expense management. If your business deals internationally or you've got team members who travel, this feature automatically converts expense reimbursements using real-time exchange rates and handles tax compliance for you. Number 4, mobile receipt catcher. The best tools let employees snap a quick photo of their receipts, and technology pulls out all the key details automatically with no manual data entry needed. Number 5, custom workflows and spend policies. You can set approval chains, spending limits, and automated policy checks that fit your business's structure, making sure everything stays compliant without slowing things down. And number 6, real-time tracking and reporting. This gives you instant visibility into your company spending with live dashboards, alerts, and reports so you can catch unusual activity and make smarter financial decisions. So those are the criteria we're going to use for our comparison of the 4 platforms I've chosen, but before we compare them, I'm going to recommend that you do not use accounting software like Xero or QuickBooks to manage your team's expenses. And that's because, as you can see here, they simply do not offer enough of the tools you might need to manage your team's expenses quickly and efficiently. Okay, now let's dive into the 4 platforms I think are worth considering for your business. Now, I have partnered with Airwallex to bring you this video, so let's talk about Airwallex first. Airwallex is a global payments and financial platform that offers multi-currency expense management, corporate cards, bill pay, and automated approval workflows in one single stack. So it's a great option if your business operates both locally and internationally. Airwallex corporate cards allow you to manage global expenses directly from your Airwallex multi-currency wallet, eliminating unnecessary foreign currency conversion fees and international transaction fees. You can instantly issue virtual or physical cards, set per card limits, block merchant categories, set real-time alerts for out-of-policy spend to cap risk. For example, you can create dedicated virtual cards for your business to manage subscriptions and virtual employee cards for their travel expenses with preset merchant categories and spend limits. Their built-in expense management platform also offers mobile receipt capture, auto matching for your corporate spend and receipt, custom workflows, and spend policies to help you save lots of time. You can also automate your online bill pay processes all within your Airwallex account. Airwallex also integrates seamlessly with accounting software like Xero and QuickBooks to speed up reconciliation, which is a much better option than trying to do everything in your accounting software, as previously mentioned. Beyond expense management, Airwallex is an all-in-one solution with global accounts, foreign exchange payment solutions, high-rate savings solutions, and more. Airwallex is great for businesses looking for an expense management software solution as part of a centralized platform, rather than a standalone service. Airwallex is free with a minimum deposit of $5,000 per month or a minimum balance of $10,000 in Australia, suitable if you're a small business that's just starting out. Otherwise, you can opt for their Grow plan, which unlocks additional expense management features as your business scales. So as you can see, Airwallex ticks all the boxes. However, it's only available for registered businesses and not for individual users. It's also a digital-only platform and service with no physical branches, so it may not be suitable if you need in-person support. If you'd like to find out more about Airwallex or give it a try, click on the link we've provided in the description below and get your first $20,000 of foreign exchange conversions for free. You can only get this deal if you go through our link, so if you want to save some money, do yourself a favor and click on the link below. Next up, we have Expensify. Known for its user-friendly interface, it has lots of features such as multi-currency expense management, multi-currency corporate cards, receipt scanning, employee cards, automated approval workflows, integration with accounting platforms like Xero and QuickBooks, and much more. As you can see, it ticks all the boxes that I like to see, so I think it's a great option. Just be sure to work out how much it could cost you, as its pricing is on a per user basis, so if you have lots of users, it could add up and could be inaccessible for small businesses and individuals. Then there's VoloPay. Available only in Australia, it combines corporate cards, expense management, and accounting automation in one platform. VoloPay also comes packed with features such as multi-currency expense management, multi-currency corporate cards, receipt scanning, employee cards, automated approval workflows, integration with accounting platforms like Xero and QuickBooks, and much more. Just like Airwallex and Expensify, it ticks a lot of boxes and offers plenty of features and capabilities. When it comes to costs, their website states that pricing starts from $25 a month and that you need to sign up for more details, so I'm a bit unsure how cost effectively it actually could be. Lastly, we have Zoho Expense, which is part of the Zoho group of products that includes a CRM tool, accounting platform, and more. Zoho Expense comes with almost all the same tools as the other platforms we've looked at today, however, it doesn't come with physical and virtual employee cards. Also, you need to take a close look at the pricing plans to see which tools are included and not included for each plan, but they do offer a generous free plan which you might like to use to check out whether Zoho Expense is the right one for you. So which one should you choose? Well, if you run a very small business, you could probably get away with managing your team's expenses in your bookkeeping software like Xero or QuickBooks, or even a spreadsheet. But if that will take up too much of your time, you really need to invest in an expense management tool. Zoho Expense has a free plan, so that's a good one to use if you don't need all the bells and whistles and want to save some money, but it is limited in its capabilities. If you're in Australia, VoloPay looks good, but as I said before, you have to sign up to find out about their pricing, so it's hard to say how cost effective it is. That leaves Airwallex and Expensify. Both platforms cover the core expense basics, receipt capture, approvals, and accounting integrations so teams can scan, approve, and sync into their ledger quickly. So there's no real difference there. Where Airwallex comes into its own is that it also includes global accounts with local bank details, foreign exchange and transfers, payment acceptance, payouts, and multi-currency corporate cards in one platform. That means you can consolidate more of your finance stack in a single login. Put simply, if you want expense management as part of a broader global finance platform, choose Airwallex. But if you want a standalone expense and travel tool, Expensify is a strong fit. So while there's no one platform that suits all businesses, if you want to save time, stress, and money, I highly recommend signing up to an expense management tool instead of trying to do it on a spreadsheet or in your accounting software. And remember, if you'd like to find out more about Airwallex or give it a try, click on the link we've provided in the description below. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.